All right. So the thing is that when you do adjustments and everything, people all get wigged out about one thing or another and everything else. This is not the same person who was standing there. He's laying flat. So now, now the muscular things that I find and the problems are usually opposite or different. So that's why we don't get all worked up about this has to be straight, that has to be straight. We look at motion. So as he's laying here, I find these areas that are resistant, which would be like in this area and this area here. And we'll see he's got a curve that comes up around this way. So what I basically do is I just kind of push through. And we'll see as I'm doing this, it's starting to move and loosen up. And that's what we want. We see down in this area, it's loosening up very easily. Up here, we still have a little bit of resistance. We come over here to this side, we still have this resistance, but as we push down through here, it's pretty good. So just like I described, this area and that area are the areas that need to be adjusted. Now, because as we saw when he was standing, he had his arms in front of him instead of back here like a gunfighter and the head forward, what we'll look at is I'll have him go ahead and lift this leg. Go ahead and lift. And we see we're not really getting that great of a lever. As a matter of fact, the low back is kind of jamming up a little. So what this is telling us is that the glutes aren't doing what they're supposed to do. So go ahead and lift. On this side, that's really not so bad. So when he holds this up, go ahead and hold that up and resist. He's strong. When we come over here to this one, go ahead and lift and resist. He's not strong. So we really want to try and get this muscle tension out of there. So you can do stuff with some of these lower muscles. Right in through there. And as soon as we do that, now go ahead and lift. And you'll see that low back moves much more freely. Go ahead and lift one more time and resist. And now he's got all kinds of strength.